JP Morgan's Matt Boss just ranked #1 retail analyst according to Institutional Investor for the 9th time. Matt, congratulations on that. So what does the top-ranked retail analyst say is the top-ranked retail stock right now? What's your favorite?
Thanks, Sarah. Great to be back. So, look, we outlined today what we're calling our core four. We're looking for value and convenience. That, to me, is dollar stores and off-pricers. So Dollar General, TJ Maxx would be two top picks there. And then I think across the global brands, it's active and casual. I think it's the largest trend that will be multi-year out of the pandemic. We think Lululemon between now and year end and into next year, as well as Nike, we think is going to be a turnaround story as we move into 23.
You're getting more pushback from clients on those two in particular, because you in the street have been bullish on Nike and Lulu for a long time, and lately both are coming under some pressure.
Yeah, look, our work on Lulu is, I think the momentum continues to be there. I think they have a really nice sweet spot in terms of health and wellness awareness, and now a catalyst on the lifestyle front as people return to work, but casualization is now a much larger picture trend. On Nike, obviously the exposure, the size and scale, and their capacity tied to the ocean freight and the category that they operate in put them in a tough spot as the supply chain issues as a result of COVID. I think it'll be a quarter or two in terms of cleaning up this inventory. But on the other side, I think the margin profile here, the two major changes, much greater digital penetration. They've actually doubled and scaled digital penetration at Nike, and a much better wholesale footprint as they've cut 50% of their partners. So I think both Nike and Lulu, better companies on the other side. Go back to the value convenience. Off-pricers have inventory, and I think others, as we enter next year, will be in a more rational position, which sets up nicely value and convenience.
Yeah, I should say Lulu has definitely outperformed. This month it's up 17.5%. It's only down 16% for the year. Nike's down 44%. Matt, what about the turnaround stories? Because there are no shortage of turnarounds in retail. How do you spot a winner?
Yeah, so what we're doing in terms of our screen for turnaround opportunities as we look to 23, I think you want sectors with larger total addressable markets on the other side, solid management teams, and really idiosyncratic opportunity. So in the dollar stores, I think Dollar Tree, with a top management team actually coming on from Dollar General of old, I think sets up very well from a tangible opportunity in 23. I think in the off-price space, you have Burlington, which would be the turnaround growth story. And third, as you think about across the larger picture space in value and convenience, Five Below, I think, is another beneficiary of disruption.
Really quickly, what assumption do you make about consumer spending into next year on these stocks?
So I think it's going to be a solid holiday for apparel and footwear. We're modeling 5% growth. That actually is up against 18% a year ago. So that's a 23% two-year stack. I think you'll have winners and losers. We're taking a selective stance as we move into next year. I think low end, look, the demand for low-end workers continues to exceed the supply. So we're not as negative on the low end as 22 was really the story. It's the middle where I think you could see some reversion within middle income. That's where I think value becomes more important. That's why I think you want to stick with value convenience winners, off-pricers, dollar stores, and best-in-class global brands.
All right, we've got to leave it there. Matt Boss, thank you for joining me.